Hello to my friends in India. I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So there are three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons, so with the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short and you will have a screenshot. If you tap now on the preview, you can edit the screenshot, or if you go on send, you can send the screenshot directly to someone by WhatsApp or Messenger and so on. So let me show you one more time, the power button and the volume down button together just for short, and you have a screenshot. Tap here on the preview, and then you're able also to edit here the screenshot. If you want, you can write something inside, or you can also crop the part here, a part of the screenshot. And then after you can send that edited part here just to by WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, Snapchat and so on, or you can save it directly, so the edited partner, to your gallery. Okay, there's a second way, as I said, so just scroll down a second time, and then you will have an icon here named screenshot. So tap on the icon for the screenshot and you will have a screenshot as well. And the third way is working with three fingers, so just swipe three fingers across the screen and you will have a screenshot. One more time, use three fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you will have a screenshot. Yeah, and where to find the screenshots after, of course, at the gallery and at the category photos. You can just see the photos of the camera, but if you go here on the albums, you have an own folder just for screenshots. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thought. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. And or you can just subscribe me. It will be really a pleasure to see you again, my friends. And maybe at the next time. Ciao.